Hello my YouTube family, welcome back to my channel Beauty Bling with Sush. Today I will be creating this beautiful Valentine makeup look and also a very simple front hairstyle. So let's get started. I'm starting my makeup with Myglam's primer. I have already cleaned, toned and moisturized my face and then I'm applying a primer. And today I will be using Myglam's product as much as possible for whole makeup look. If you don't know about Myglam, it is a European product and we can use this product for a very sensitive skin also. This is a foundation palette where you have a concealer, color corrector and also the foundation itself. I am using the palette. The name of the palette is Honey. First of all, I'm using a color corrector of Myglam and I'm taking a very less amount just to color correct wherever I am discolored, like my mouth area where I have my pimple marks and my dark circles. It's always best to blend it with your finger. Now after blending my color corrector, I'm applying a foundation with the foundation applicator. You can also apply it with your finger. The foundation is in cream base and then it is in a satin finish. Now foundations are three types: glossy, matte and satin. Now satin is somewhere between neither matte nor glossy. It gives a final finishing of a glowy skin. You can blend your foundation with the help of brush or a beauty blender. It's all up to you. Most of us like dewy and nude makeup which looks like no makeup, so today I'm presenting a very light eyeshadow makeup, nothing much to do with eye makeup, so that it will look pretty also and it won't take much time. Now as I'm done with blending my foundation, I'm going to apply a concealer from the same palette in the place wherever I want my high points to highlight and my dark circle to conceal. Always remember, whenever you're doing makeup, try to use a minimum quantity of the makeup if you're not confident. After applying the highlighter, I'm going to blend it again. I'm comfortable either with brush or beauty blender, so sometimes I use brush and sometimes I use blender. You can go with anyone. Again, I'm applying a lipstick as my blush from Myglam only. You need to be very quick with blending this lipstick because it's matte and it's going to stick up to your cheeks. I'm in love with cream blush rather than applying a powder blush because it gives me more natural and more shine effect from within. I don't want my makeup to look too powdery, so I'm just applying Myglam's loose powder. That is a shine powder I'm applying on my cheeks and wherever I want to highlight my face. I'm taking very less powder to apply because I don't want it to look too powdery. I'm also applying powder under my eyes because I don't want it to crease anyways later. So make sure that you also bake your under eyes while you do your makeup with the loose powder. I'm contouring my face with the powder contour very lightly, not that intense. If you don't have a contour palette, guys, you can always use brown eyeshadow to contour your face. Make sure you blend it very well and you use very less product. Moving on to my eyebrows, I'm going to just brush them downward and I'm going to apply Myglam's eyebrow filler again. I'm just in love with this eyebrow filler. This is like quick go. I don't have to work much harder with my eyebrows. The pigment of the eyebrow filler is awesome. Now guys, for my eye makeup, I'm just applying my same lipstick that I've used as my blush. I'm taking a very little amount of the lipstick, just making a crease blending. Taking a purple eye pencil, I'm applying it as the eyeshadow. You can use this pencil during the daytime or for the morning time because it's not intensely pigmented. So I'm applying it till I'm satisfied with the intensity of the eyeshadow. Now I'm applying a kajal as a tight liner, not properly like a liner, but just on my lash line. You can see how I'm applying it. After tight lining my eyelashes, I'm going to take a small blending brush and I'm going to blend it and make it a smoky eyeliner. Now I will be applying the eyeliner that is off-white in color, and then the same black eyeshadow brush I'm going to blend my lower lash line to give that kajal effect. Again I'm applying the lipstick that I've applied, and then again the purple eyeshadow pencil. Now I'm applying my Myglam's mascara for my lashes. Whenever you are doing a simple eye makeup, make sure that you're putting mascara on your lower lash line perfectly and very nicely. Now this part is I just wanted to do something, so I just created a heart shape with my eyeliner. So this is absolutely optional. I'm doing the same for my other eyes. And let me know if you like this simple eyeshadow makeup tutorial. Taking a very little highlighter and applying that also with my finger on my brow bone and the tip of the nose. Now I'm taking a little more highlighter on my brush and applying on my cheeks. Guys, you can see that shine, how beautifully it's just shining on the cheeks. If you don't know how to apply highlighter, please do use your finger or use a smaller fluffy brush. Don't use big brush. Taking the same lipstick, now I'm going to apply lipstick. After applying the lipstick, I'm going to use NYX makeup fixer to build all the powders and make my makeup look more natural, more beautiful. You can see how natural it is. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Make sure you try this look, okay, and then let me know in the comment section below how did you like it, and try to share it to Instagram. If you have Instagram account, just tag me or DM me. Now this is a very simple front hairstyle. I'm just doing a middle parting and putting one flick of hair leaving it, and simply I'm just making some pleats, making some braids to give that hairline effect, which I really love. This hairstyle is like anyone you can carry with any kind of dress. That is the best part. Guys, if you already subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. I appreciate you a lot, and if you have not yet subscribed, please be subscribed to my channel. This will mean a lot to me. And then do share this video to loved one. If you find this video useful, that you can share to somebody who does makeup and they need this video, also give a fat thumbs up. This encourages and inspires me to do a lot of more video with lots of positive energy. Once you're done with braiding your hair, make sure you pull them out slowly, one of them, and it becomes a loose braid, which gives a very elegant look. You don't want that stiff braid. And here you go, you can see the final hairstyle from the front, and it gives a very elegant yet stylish look. I hope you enjoyed this look. Thank you so much for your valuable time. I will be back soon with the new video. Till then, ta-da!